Trying to decide whether Disney's Contemporary Resort is the perfect resort for your next Disney World vacation? Then you're in the right place. Today we're giving you an inside look at the theme park view room at this iconic Disney World resort. Hey there friends, Erica here. We know that one of the most important and stressful decisions in planning a Disney World vacation is choosing where to stay. There are so many things to consider between the amenities and perks and of course your budget. Disney never makes it an easy decision. But don't worry, because we're here to help, and today we're taking a look at the theme park view rooms at Disney's iconic Contemporary Resort. Disney's Contemporary Resort is in the deluxe category and located in the Magic Kingdom Resort area, right off the monorail. The rooms are separated between 3 different buildings: the main tower, Garden Wing, and Bay Lake Tower, the DVC portion of the resort. Each section offers a variety of room types and views, including king and queen bed options, as well as 1 and 2 bedroom suites. In the main tower, you can choose between theme park or water view, while in the Garden Wing, you have the resort or water view options. You can also plus up your vacation with club level access if you stay in the main tower. During our visit, we stayed in a renovated Incredibles themed theme park view room on the 9th floor of the main tower. And guys, this room was everything we imagined plus more. To go with the theme here, it was simply incredible. It's the perfect spot for those Magic Kingdom firework lovers just like me, but more on that in a little bit. As you enter the room, there's an immediate contemporary vibe which matches the mid-century modern aesthetic of this resort. There are clean lines and bright, vibrant colors that really grab your attention. But when you take a closer look, you'll start to notice the subtle Incredibles theme that reminds you that this is indeed a Disney World resort. From the superhero mask and supersuit wallpapers to the character curtains and artwork, this room is super cool and one of our favorite themes in any Disney World resort. The room itself was incredibly spacious and is amongst the largest on Disney property at 422 square feet. Our room included 2 queen beds and a 5th sleeper, easily accommodating our family of 4, but could also comfortably fit 5. In addition, the 5th sleeper doubled as a couch for additional seating and was accompanied by a table. Our room also included the platform-style beds. This is a Disney game changer for storing luggage and other bulky items underneath your bed. Additionally, the room had a 6-drawer dresser, a side table, and a separate closet with rod-end shelves, which is where you can find those incredible super suits. With all the storage, we had no issues finding places for our luggage, clothing, and still had room for a double stroller. Other amenities include a coffee station accented with Incredibles themed coffee mugs with a complimentary selection of coffees and teas, a small beverage cooler, an extra pillow and blanket, and enough outlets, both standard and USB, to cover all of your recharging needs after a battery-draining day in the parks. As we head through the sliding barn door into the bathroom, the mid-century modern aesthetic is continued. These bathrooms are big, with the dual vanity and oversized backlit mirror, perfect for 2 adults getting ready for a day at Magic Kingdom. The vanity has plenty of additional storage for all of your necessities, and also includes a hairdryer and a makeup mirror. The bathroom has a full-size tub, which comfortably fits a full-size adult, and is stocked with Disney brand body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. A full-length mirror is located inside the separate closet. Now, let's take a look at that theme park view we've all been waiting for. As you step out onto your own balcony, it's easy to see why this resort is so popular. With clear views of Magic Kingdom, Cinderella's Castle, and Tomorrowland, you can enjoy the Magic Kingdom fireworks each night without having to leave your room. And in fact, that's exactly what we did. The views of Happily Ever After are simply spectacular and really make the stay at this resort unforgettable and like no other. Overall, the rooms in the main tower of Disney's Contemporary Resort are simply incredible, and we're not just referring to the theming. Not only do we feel that the mid-century modern theming is beautiful and the Incredibles theming is so much fun, but the rooms are spacious and functional. But for those who choose to stay in the theme park view room category, those views of Magic Kingdom and the fireworks are really just the icing on the cake. Don't get us wrong, the water view rooms that oversee Bay Lake are great as well. But for those Magic Kingdom and fireworks lovers, it may just be worth the splurge to end each of your nights in Disney World with Happily Ever After from your balcony. Now, we wouldn't be doing our jobs if we didn't point out some of the negatives. We'll be honest with you, this resort is noisy and busy. Because of the A-frame construction, your room opens up to what is essentially an open cavity filled with all the noise from the hustle and bustle of the 4th floor. The 4th floor is where you'll find Chef Mickey's, which opens up bright and early in the morning and runs well into the night. It has multiple stores as well as the main hub for the monorail. Additionally, on the nights that you may want to get to bed just a little early or just after the fireworks, you'll hear the music from the electrical water parade, which passes by each evening sometime after the fireworks. Let's just face it, this resort is busy, noisy, and in our opinion, the rooms don't block out much of that noise. Well, that's going to wrap up this Disney's Contemporary Resort room tour and review. We hope that this video helped you decide whether Disney's incredible and iconic Contemporary Resort rooms are perfect for your group. If it did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Your support really means a lot to us. If you're looking for more information on Disney's Contemporary Resort, let us know in the comments and check out our Contemporary Resort playlist. We'll have full resort tours, dining reviews, pool and other resort activities, and so much more. If you want to see more of our Disney content, make sure you're subscribed. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in our next one. Bye, guys!